Hi, I'm Saadi. I'm a member here with the Alameda Center for Human Rights. I will be interviewing Yolanda Huang, civil rights attorney, and we will be discussing the Audit Ahern campaign. Tell me about yourself and some of the work you do.
I'm a lawyer. I've been a lawyer for 40 years. And in the last 10 years, my practice has sort of gone toward civil rights work, particularly in terms of police and sheriffs. And this is because after doing criminal defense, you see what the system does to people. And I realized that a lot of what happens to people is unconstitutional, and it's wrong, and it's inhumane. And so that's where my law practice has taken me.
With your current cases today in 2018, can you speak on that?
I've got a couple of cases against the sheriff of Alameda County. Both of them are on behalf of women. And it's distressing to know that even in jail, women are second-class citizens. The food that they're served is spoiled, bad, moldy, sour, gone bad, curdled milk. Women find feces in their food. We've gotten reports that they've been dead mice found in their food. In Santa Rita jail, you have to buy all your personal supplies. You have to buy your toothpaste, your toothbrush, your combs, your shampoo, and so forth. Women can't get menstrual pads. There are no tampons in Santa Rita jail. The sheriff's budget is huge, and yet there's nothing for the prisoners.
What are the actions that we can do? How can we support these women in the jails? And also, how can we hold the sheriff department accountable?
As I understand California law, the Board of Supervisors is a supervisor for the sheriff for the jail. And up to now, the Board of Supervisors has been pretty hands-off. They've really deferred to the sheriff. I think that it's important for people to demand that their elected board member take a more active role in how the sheriff treats people. That's one. The second I think that's important is that we need to know how he's spending the money. He takes the lion's share of the budget for the county, and I think the county has a lot of other needs that could be addressed if the sheriff wasn't demanding that kind of dollars. So we need to know how he's spending that money. The sheriff is a government entity, and he's paid for by our taxes. And we as taxpayers have the right to know whether that money is well spent. Good governance requires that. And I'd like to see money going toward giving people a life rather than spending all this money on locking them up.